Ukraine's drone army has become a true force to be reckoned with, responsible for taking out thousands of Russian equipment, wearing down Russia's supply chain to strangle their capability to conduct defensive and offensive maneuvers. These non-armored supply trucks are very vulnerable to Ukraine's drones, often only needing 1 or possibly 2 strikes. Depending on the cargo, the truck can help out in this, seen with this fuel truck being possibly tied with trucks carrying ammunition in helping out to destroy themselves after getting hit, as Ukraine's drone army makes sure to restrict and degrade Russia's supplies to make their army less effective, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.